everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, but I think it was worth the wait because the few next videos are gonna be about the 865 big bore project. I decided to go for it a few months ago and I started collecting all the necessary stuff. So, in this video I'm gonna share with you the unboxing of the heart of the project, which is, of course, the cylinder barrels fitted with the SNS big bore kit, and take a look at all the other bits and pieces needed. I guess most of you can imagine the joy generated by holding this box. So I got the 865 kit from Hitchcock's because it comes with a pair of brand new cylinder barrels already machined and fitted with the SNS kit. But if you have someone that you can trust to do this job, is certainly way much cheaper, to buy only the SNS kit and fit it in your old cylinder barrels. Of course, the packaging was great, as expected, and my excitement was even greater. It always feels so good to hold in your hands brand new metal components of an engine. Everything looked amazing, except for the fact that the pistons were facing towards the back of the engine, meaning that this little arrow at the top of the pistons were facing to the intake side, and it's really ought to be facing to the exhaust side. But anyway, I was planning to take the pistons out of the cylinders and check the rings myself. But I'm gonna make another video where I take the pistons out and I compare the weight with the weight of the stock pistons. And of course the gaskets. This one is a copper gasket that is made especially to fit this kit, and it replaces the stock one, which is an MLS gasket. Then we have the cylinder barrels base gasket, which is the same as stock actually. And the small one you see at the left of the copper head gasket is for the cam chain tensioner. And that's all you get with the 865 kit from Hitchcock's. And of course I had to order a few other things to make this happen. It's the SNS camshaft, the Recluse performance clutch, Dynojet Power Commander 5, which came very conveniently with a base map for this setup from Hitchcock's. And of course a brand new set of cylinder head bolts, because the old ones won't work. So that's it for now. It was just a quick look at all the parts I used to make the 865 project happen. But stay tuned because I'm gonna be making more videos with more details, of course, and we will eventually get to the 865 engine startup and of course a final review. Thanks very much for watching and see you soon.